Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's explore 3 idioms that are perfect for expressing happiness. I'll also show you how they compare to basic English. Let's get started. Idiom 1, over the moon. This idiom means being extremely happy or delighted about something. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She was very happy when she got accepted into her dream college. With the idiom. She was over the moon when she got accepted into her dream college. The idiom paints a picture of joy that's almost out of this world. Idiom 2, walking on air. This idiom describes feeling extremely happy and light, as if floating with joy. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She felt so happy after hearing about her promotion. With the idiom, she felt like she was walking on air after hearing about her promotion. The idiom gives a sense of weightless joy, making the happiness seem even more special. Idiom 3, grinning from ear to ear. This idiom means smiling widely because of being very happy or pleased. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She smiled a lot when she heard the good news. With the idiom, she was grinning from ear to ear when she heard the good news. The idiom vividly captures the happiness, making it more expressive. So there you have it, 3 idioms to express happiness in an engaging way. Pick one of these idioms and try using it in a sentence this week. Share your sentence in the comments. I'd love to see how you use them. Thank you.